Hey everyone, okay, Spellbinders this month, card kit of the month, feeling Hoppy. Whoop. Need to finish unhooking it. So, yay, I'm so excited to see this one. Oh, look it. So hopefully everyone was happy with this one. So, small die of the month. Oh, look at, that's what it makes. That is so cute. Let me see if you can see it better. We gotta turn off those lights up there. Large die of the month. Wow, these are way bigger than I thought they were. That is awesome. They are huge. They're a pretty good chunk. I didn't know they were that big. It's awesome. Ooh, look at this one. And this is the Amazing Paper Grace that I added on now for the months. Love this. Just beautiful. So I get Amazing Paper Grace, large die of the month, small die of the month, plus the card kit, and I believe it is $83. Yeah, I think it's $83. So, uh-oh, it got squished. Oh no, they got squished. That happens sometimes. Okay, so let's see what we get, because I am excited. We get the card, which is the cardstock, the finish speaking, the gold, ooh, the purple, the yellow, the orange, the white, the mint, the green, and what is that, fuchsia? Hot pink. So that's cool. Standard foam dots. We get the dies for in the small card kit, which is, it's the bunny. It's the bunny. It's this one right here is what we get. You get to make all that. There we go. Yeah. I love that. Oh, I love these. Now I know someone wasn't happy with my comments on last month's kit, and it wasn't that you're disappointed or that I was, or you were disappointed in me for being disappointed, something like that. 10 cards, 10, it was the fact that people were being mean, and that's where I had a problem with, by, you know, telling the creator of that die that, you know, what did he want to go back to kindergarten, you know, those kind of things. Spellbinders, you suck, you know. did you have toddlers making it this month? I didn't think that was needed. I didn't think it was called for. Saying you don't like something, perfectly cool. I don't like something, perfectly cool. I mean, of course I'm going to say I don't like something, because I don't love everything, but I'm not going to put anybody down. I'm not going to do that. And so that's where I had a problem with, and I just didn't think it was necessary. So, not defending myself, not saying anything like that, but I'm just telling you why I was kind of going, oh gosh, you know. But I understand that the kits are a lot of money, and that you pay to have quality kits. But also, you know, I don't know. I didn't look at that set as being bad, because, you know, there are people who can't cut, who can't get scissors and cut wonky. You know, they can't do any of that stuff, so they use a die. So, you know, you know what? I look for the positive. I look for the positive, and I will continue to look for the positive. And if that offends you, I'm sorry, but I refuse to be negative about things. But I did love the other lady's comment. I didn't write her name down, who said that she skipped that month, she skipped last month, but she bought a la carte. And I just thought that was cool, because not only does Spellbinders let you skip a month, they also sell the kit, the pieces and parts a la carte. And I think that's neat. I really do. I think that's really cool. If you're willing to do that, see, I need my money to come out automatically. Take it. Because if you're going to make me go give it, you know, like give you, like, you know, here, I'm like, no, I can use that on something else. So I need them to take it out of my account, and because I won't buy a la carte because of that reason, because I'm like, I can't do it. But if you give it to me, and after I paid for it, you know, if you take and then give, I'm pretty happy with that. So these are really cool. I hope you looked while I was talking. But yeah, and then here's the tape runner. So I love this. This one's a little scrunched, but nothing is too bad. And I think you just put more adhesive on the back and it'll flatten out. I'm not worried about it. I personally don't sweat the small stuff, and that to me is small. So you do you. I love the sentiments. Oh, look how big this bunny is. That is a bunny who loves bunny treats. I love that. So, oh, and here's all the ephemera. Oh, I can't wait. This is like, the ephemera is like the best part too. I mean, I love these whole kits because I love the variety they give you. And I love that they give you so much ephemera. I love it. So let me put you in. Slide. There we go. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of them, but I am going to just flip them out. Oh, we got eggs. Hopefully it doesn't go too... Oh, look at the little one. Little speckled eggs. How cute is that? Oh, look at the carrot. I pulled out the carrot. Oh my gosh. I want to do the 10 card kits, but I can't right now because I'm doing other stuff. I'm having fun somewhere else. If you check out my Instagram, I have been, oh my god, the Tim Holtz die and the memory decks. I have been having a blast with that. Oh my gosh, I have been just loving it. It's been awesome. So I've been having fun with that. Oh, look at that, the hunt began. Oh, I love that. That's so cute. Look at that. It's a little clipboard. Can you guys see that? That's cute. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. You can almost put a little bunny in there too if you somehow. I love it. I love this stuff. I do. I get a kick out of this stuff. It makes me happy. Happiness. Eggs be friends. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Eggs be friends. Cute. Oh my gosh, look at this butterfly, you guys. Oh my gosh, the gold foil on it is just... Oh, look at these. Ooh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? Love the color. Look at this one. Oh, gorgeous. These are really gorgeous. And you get another one too. Oh my goodness. Yep. Love those. Wow. Cutest chick. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, look at these bunny ears, you guys. These bunny ears. So did you guys like this kit this month? Do you guys like looking at the sneaks, and that way you can say, nope, I am going to skip it this month? Do you guys do that? I like looking at the sneaks because they're, I love seeing what's going to come ahead. I love the colors. As long as it's bright colors, it has my attention. Look at the big old, what is this, a flower? Or no, it's just like a doily. Really fun. You gotta pull those all out. Cute. You should get two. You get two of everything. Love that. Alright, guys. I love this. So cute. Okay, I'm in love. I'm so glad I'm getting this one now, because have you watched the YouTube videos on Becca Feekin? These are Becca Feekin's. She is APG. Oh, on YouTube, you guys, you have to look at what they do with these things. They're just amazing. Gorgeous, elegant. Where you have cutesy, you have elegant. And that's pretty cool too, because cutesy and elegant. Alright, guys. Take care. We'll see you all next month. Yay for next month. Alright, bye.